Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 11 build and whether you have admin rights. This matters because installers modify system settings. Once confirmed, pick a delivery method: a dedicated app, safer, feature-rich, or a manual route using VLC/animated GIF. Make a restore point now to undo changes if needed. Then download the chosen installer or prepare your media files, MP4, WebM, or GIF. After that, run installers as administrator so drivers or services install correctly and won't be blocked. Next, install and open the live Wallpaper application. Grant permissions it requests because it needs to run on the desktop and sometimes as a background service. Once inside, add your MP4, WebM, or GIF file and position it as desktop wallpaper or a single monitor scene. Configure playback. Loop, mute audio, start with Windows and set brightness or scaling. Make sure to set performance limits, frame rate, and pause on battery. Adjusting GPU usage avoids stuttering and keeps battery life acceptable. To finish, verify the wallpaper launches at startup and appears across virtual desktops if desired. Test by signing out and back in. Tweak visual scaling and audio settings until you're satisfied. If performance suffers, lower the frame rate, reduce resolution, or disable hardware acceleration. These changes often fix stutters. And if the desktop becomes unresponsive, use the restore point you created to revert changes. Otherwise, stop the wallpaper service from Task Manager, uninstall the app, then reinstall with different.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.